My name is Munoz, co-founder of Assets for Life. In this video, I'm going to show you how to maximize your rental income. I'm going to show you 5 different ways of how to get rental income in a property. First one is single let. Okay, so you can rent the house that I have at the back, one of our units, as a single let, to a family, and then the rental income probably after all expenses is something along the 350 to 400 pounds. Number 2 is to do it as a multi-let. The current property that we have here at the back is one of our units that we rent it as a multi-let. The reason for that is because you get a lot more for the property each month. In this scenario, we have a 6-bedroom HMO that we are renting every single bedroom for an amount, and what we get roughly per month, depending on voids, is between 750 to 1,200 pounds per month. As you can see, the difference is massive. It's more or less double the single let. Then another way to do it, the third way to do this, guys, is also renting the parking space. As you can see over here, this parking space could be rented out between £50 to £60 per month. So that's another income for you. Another way also to rent this house could be a service accommodation, a fourth way. So that means you rent it like in a hotel. So in a hotel, obviously you charge more per night, and depending on your voids, you can earn between more or less 1,200 to 2,000 pounds per month. But it's more labor intensive. You need to basically spend more time doing the management. And the last one is just again back to single let, but what you do is you rent it to the council. Sometimes the council will give you really good rates for the property, and also guarantee the rent, and also guarantee the maintenance as well. So they basically hand it over back to you as you give it to them. And that's another way, and that's the last way for now. Stay tuned for more videos, hit subscribe and the notification bell, and click above for the next video.